Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report charts appraisals on Friday the 2nd of October with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Antac Markets. It's Non-farm Payrolls Day, and looking at dollar yen, it's still not really anything that's moving dollar yen yet. This consolidation, which is now into sort of 4 weeks worth, is still going sideways, still showing very small daily bodies to these candles. So that suggests very uncertain trading, and that just continues really. Now let me just show you what I've got here, which is the Bollinger Bands, which are increasingly tightening now on dollar yen. So as these two Bollinger Bands come together, that would suggest that any sort of breakout through those bands would be a decisive move. So just watch out for that. But at the moment, we're still consolidating on this dollar yen. Even on the hourly chart, you can see just consistent sort of up, down, no real direction at all. There's a very slight sort of pivot level, you could argue, around 120 figure. It's not great. It's not something that I'd put my house on anyway, and it is, though, to be honest, bang in the middle of this range, pretty much between 119 and sort of 120, 120 area, which is sort of what's developed as this trading range in the last sort of few weeks. But certainly, there's no real direction. All the momentum indicators are suggesting it's still range bound on the hourly chart as well. So there's nothing really, no signals that you can get in terms of overall decisive direction. You can play the hourly RSI in terms of buying at 30, selling at 70. You can do that. That's still a possible strategy you can play. But at the moment, it's not really getting any decisive direction. It's going to have to be very near-term trading on dollar yen until we get direction. Maybe that will come from the payrolls report today, but I do not expect that to be the case. So we could well have the same video on Monday again. But until then, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.